Welcome to New Hampshire's Business. I'm Fred Coker. Here's a tip for those job hunting. The most and New Hampshire job growth between now and 2032 is projected to be in healthcare and social assistance, already the largest sector in New Hampshire, employing over 92,000 workers in recent years. My guest will explain in a minute. Now, take a look at this graph. Healthcare and social assistance employment. It shows the steep employment drop in healthcare and social assistance during the pandemic and the gradual recovery since. It's the biggest employment sector in New Hampshire. Now, New Hampshire employment projections by industry, healthcare and social assistance alone account for more than 9,100 projected new jobs, an increase of nearly 10%. With me to explain what's going on with jobs in healthcare and social assistance is an economist who is director of the Economic and Labor Market Information Bureau at the New Hampshire Department of Employment Security, Brian Gottlieb.
That's a mouthful.
Here in the studio. Thanks, Brian. Nice
Pleasure
to have
be
you
here.
Your research shows that healthcare and social assistance employment has recovered slowly from the pre-pandemic years, right? With healthcare in particular relying on temporary labor, the so-called traveling nurse. So explain the two parts of this next graph that we're putting up on the screen. The bar on the left, in particular, has two pieces. One piece is very steep, and one piece on the top is very thin. Just tell us what we're looking at.
The major part of that bar just shows the employment pre-pandemic, before the pandemic, and that little portion at the top just shows the number of jobs in healthcare and social assistance that have been added since that time. So it's a very small number. When we look on the right side of this graphic, you see what are administrative and support jobs primarily. Those are temporary help agencies, employment agencies, and what you see there is that there's been a very big increase in employment in those in that industry. And that's largely the result of healthcare industries having to reach out to those to hire temporary and traveling nurses, etc.
I visited a family member recently, Brian, in a hospital in New Hampshire, and she had just had surgery. I noticed that the staffing on the ward was very thin compared to the number of patients, because I used to work in hospitals, so I kind of look for that. And so what's driving healthcare employment right now, especially since we're out of the pandemic?
It's really, healthcare has really been on the front lines of a couple of major issues. One, demographic changes. As the population gets older, it demands more healthcare. Healthcare demand goes up. In addition, during the pandemic, healthcare industry suffered some of the largest employment losses. Working in a hospital, as you mentioned, very stressful job, so you saw people exit hospitals, maybe going to other healthcare, ambulatory healthcare, maybe even to retail industries that increasingly have clinics for healthcare. So they have really been on the front lines. Hospitals, nursing care facilities, those are the two industries that have really suffered.
And it continues to some degree. Let's put this next graph up, because this is really stunning. Perhaps the most eye-opening graph you've provided is this projected growth in healthcare employment compared to the projected growth of the New Hampshire population age 65 plus. Just take a look at those two lines. Brian, just describe that.
What you see on the line at the top, which is the population age 65 and above, basically what it shows is that during that 20-year period from 2010 to 2030, the population of 65 and above is going to double. Now, when we look at the graphs below that, we see overall population growth expected to grow much more slowly.
And we're out of time. Brian Gottlieb, economist and the director of the Economic and Labor Market Information Bureau at the Department of Employment Security in Concord. Thank you.
Thanks, Fred.
If you missed part of this briefing, you can go to WMUR.com, where it will be posted all this week.